Now we want to look at how we determine the number of elements in a set. So this is what we're looking at today. Number of elements in a set. Here, obviously, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements in this set. But how do you write that down in the universally conventional acceptable way? What you do is to say n open, and here you use the round brackets. N means the number of elements in set V, then close the bracket, equal 5. So there are 5 elements in this set. And remember what this set was? It was, or this what the set is. It's the list of vowels in the alphabet, in the English alphabet. All right. So number of elements here is 5. Now let us form another set. Suppose I say there's a set, and this set is the list of human beings who are older than 200 years old. How do we deal with that? Let's call this set H for humans, capital letter. Set of H is how many people are there alive now who are older than 200 years. There is none. So what do we write? All we do is have an open curly bracket and a closed curly bracket. This now is called, you can a simple name for it, the null set. This type of set is the null set because it has no elements. There are no elements in the set. Sometimes it's represented by the symbol. All right, that symbol represents the null set. There's no element in that set. So the number of elements in set H is 0. So in this case, I can say the number of elements, common letter, the number of elements in H is equal to 0. So this is called the null set. Another name for the null set is the empty set. It is empty because it contains nothing. There is no element in that set. Right? I can think of, for example, another example. The number of boys who are students at the St. Hilda's High School. Well, the St. Hilda's High School is an all-girls school, so there are no boys, so that is an empty set. The number of girls who are students at Wolmer's High School for boys. Well, there are no girls at Wolmer's, so as students, so therefore that is also an empty set. Alright? The number of humans who have walked on Mars. That is another empty set. No human has walked on Mars up to this point in time. So, those are examples of empty sets, and this is how you write down the number of elements in a set.